They're gonna recognize my eyes, my hair, my teeth, my lips, my nose. From just some dumb mechanic's wife, I'm gonna be Roxy, who says that murder's not an art, and who, in case she doesn't hang, can say she started with the band. Roxy Hart. They're gonna wait outside in line to get to see Roxy. They got those autographs all signed. Good luck to you, Roxy. And I'll appear in a lavalier that goes all the way down to my waist. Here a ring, there a ring, everywhere a ring, but always in the best of taste. I'm a star, and the audience loves me, and I love them, and they love me for loving them, and I love them for loving me, and we love each other. And that's because none of us got enough love in our childhoods, and that's showbiz. Kids.